Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you're in, I hope that you're having a good day. Look what I found. A big old avocado, and it's not hard. It's a good texture or a good amount of firmness, not too soft and not too hard. And I am making a kale wrap. I think I'm going to use this red wine vinaigrette or my liquid aminos. I'm not really sure. I could always do the opposite later. But baby, I'm about to cut this avocado up and roll up my wrap, and it's going down. Look it. Ooh. Take that seed out. Pop it right on out. Now, I normally do this part with a spoon, so let me grab a spoon. Ooh. It's so creamy, I could tell. Perfect. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. Look how it just sliced up. Woo! I love avocado. I'm gonna try not to use this whole thing. Okay, I think I have enough. Because I'm getting ready to go overboard. I just love avocado. Maybe just one more little slice. All right. So I'm gonna roll out my wrap and enjoy it. I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this is what we look like. I put my vegan mayo. I put a little spicy mustard. And yeah, it's about to go down. Love y'all later. Mwah.